How to see who screenshotted your Snapchat story. This tutorial shows you how to check which users took screenshots of your Snapchat stories. First, launch the Snapchat application on your Android device. Next, the camera screen will appear as your main interface. Following that, swipe down from the camera screen or tap on your profile icon at the top left. Now, your profile page will open displaying your Snapchat information. Moving forward, scroll down until you find the My Stories section. Afterwards, locate the specific story you want to check for screenshots. In addition to that, tap on the story thumbnail to view more details. Once the story opens, look for the eye icon or viewer count at the bottom left. Subsequently, tap on the eye icon to see the complete list of viewers. Moreover, you'll notice different icons next to each viewer's username. Afterwards, look carefully for a circular arrow icon or screenshot symbol next to names. Then, usernames with this special icon indicate they took a screenshot of your story. Within this section, you can scroll through the entire viewer list to identify all screenshots. Alternatively, Snapchat also sends you a notification immediately when someone screenshots your story. Once you've identified who screenshotted your story, you can view their profile if needed. Then, keep in mind that users can see if you screenshot their stories as well. Afterwards, this feature helps you monitor who's saving your content from stories. Then, you now know exactly which friends or followers captured screenshots of your Snapchat story. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you see who screenshotted your Snapchat story, give it a like, subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.